Good afternoon. This is the weekly Wake Global Capital recap. Today I wanted to do something different. I wanted to look at United Health Group. And as you can see, there was a significant drop in the market from the 5th onwards to today. The market dropped over $100. Why? Why did this happen? How did this happen? What is this all about? United Healthcare Group is a huge healthcare organization that is giving people access to healthcare funds so that they can pay for their medical expenses. So why did this drop? What's behind all of this? Well, if you weren't aware of this, the United Healthcare Group CEO was shot and killed on the 4th of December by a man by the name of Luigi Mangione. And some people say that Luigi is a hero, and some people are saying that he is just a horrible monster. I'm not going to tell you what I think about him. I'm going to let you come up with your own decisions, but I'm just going to give you the facts and the reasons why people think this way. So, Luigi, let's go over here. This is Luigi, right over here. 26 years old, very young person, born in 1998, went to the University of Pennsylvania. Very good school, very good college. And at that age, he ran up behind the CEO when he was on his way to an investment meeting and shot and killed him. He had a face mask on. I think he may have thought that he would have gotten away with it, but he didn't, because he made some he revealed his face. He showed himself. That was caught on camera, not then and there, but at another location, and then the police caught him in Pennsylvania. So why did he do this, and what was the reason for this? Well, on the bullets, it was written, delay, deny, and dispose. And the reason why that was written on it is because the United Healthcare Group was denying lots and lots of people who needed this service. Millions and millions of people, many people needed the service, and they were being denied. Now, was it the CEO's responsibility to approve these cases? A lot of people are saying that it was AI that was in charge of denying or approving these cases. When the application is sent in, AI basically decides whether the case is approved or denied, or whether the application is denied or approved. And that's why many people appeal that initial decision so that they can have a human take a look at it. I don't know the details of the case, because I haven't looked into the details of the case, and I've been busy with many other things, but I'm gonna let you do that if you want to. I am going to look at the technical analysis of this. So basically the news, the fundamental of this trade, of this market right now, of this chart, is saying that the CEO was shot and killed, obviously bringing about controversy to the United Healthcare Group, making people more aware of what insurance companies are doing, how much money they have, and how much they're willing to help, who they are denying, so on and so forth. And this is causing potential sellers to sell and make the stock price drop. As we can see, it's already at $499. So where I am gonna look at the technical analysis of this. So right over here, this happened on the 4th, right over here. Ever since then, the market has been dropping. In a matter of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 business days. This has dropped over $100, which is so much. If you're trading stocks, if you're trading options, if you are trading options and you are shorting this, you are making a lot of money. How could we tell when to short this? Well, it did hit our 200-day moving average, so this could be a great point to determine when to trade. And as we can see, all of these drops have been taking place, except for this one over here, have been taking place during market hours, the beginning of the day, and this day. So it is, relatively speaking, easy to look at. Let me just go to the 1 minute chart. Yeah, as we can see over here, if we look at the pre-market high and low, bang bang, it does cross over. It does also break our 200 moving day average, goes up, goes down, and then if you held on to it, you would have been in the green, in the profit. Now, I am not certain how far this is going to drop. Time will tell. I am just observing the chart, and then I'll see what's going to happen. But it is expected to possibly come back up, at least a little bit. So keep an eye on this chart. It might come up in the near future, and as it comes up, you can buy and make more. For those of you that might think that you need $500 to buy this and you're only going to make a little bit, no. You can trade options, and you can make more. Or, you can leverage the amount of shares that you have. So, with that being said, keep an eye on UNH. Once again, December 16th, 2024. This is it for today. I'm going to post this video right now. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week.